Kenyans are eagerly anticipating a significant announcement from former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, who has offered a glimpse into his recent activities and political engagements. Gachagua disclosed that he convened a meeting with what he described as Kenya's preeminent team of elected leaders at his Wamunyoro residence, signaling strategic moves on his part as he seeks to shape his political future. During this gathering, Gachagua described engaging in extensive consultations and robust exchanges of ideas with a diverse group of leaders, collectively known as Sauti ya Mwananchi, the voice of the citizen. According to him, this team currently represents the only genuine political voice advocating on behalf of Kenyans. The group comprises elected governors, senators, members of parliament, members of county assemblies, and other influential figures from across the country. Gachagua emphasized that the meeting centered on sharing views and charting a course for Kenya's future, specifically looking ahead to 2025. After listening to the insights from the leaders and reflecting on consultations he has conducted elsewhere, Gachagua expressed optimism, declaring that the future looks promising. This statement, however, comes in the shadow of his political ouster. Gachagua was impeached following internal rifts and pressure from President William Ruto's allies, a move that left his political career hanging in uncertainty. The anticipation surrounding Gachagua's next steps is palpable among his supporters, who are eager for clarity and direction. His promise to unveil the way forward has sparked speculation about whether he intends to stage a political comeback or rally opposition forces. Gachagua's positioning as a champion of the people through Sauti ya Mwananchi raises questions about the evolving dynamics of Kenya's political landscape. Is this a genuine grassroots movement or a calculated effort to reclaim relevance on the national stage? For a country grappling with political polarization, such initiatives could either unite disparate voices or further entrench divisions. What remains clear is that Gachagua's next move will be closely watched, with its implications rippling across Kenya's political and social fabric. The big announcement he alludes to could redefine not only his political fortunes, but also the broader conversation about leadership and representation in the country.